Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I am checking out the VacLife cordless vacuum cleaner. You guys, I just took this for a spin and I am so obsessed with it. I'm telling you, taking just a 5-minute VacLife challenge will be so much fun and you will just be obsessed with this new handy appliance just like I am. I currently have it charging, but do not fear, it is cordless. Yep, that's right. We don't need that right now. I just wanted to show you what the charging looks like. Speaking of charging, it takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, and that is going to get you 30 minutes of continuous run time. Believe me, this thing is so powerful and so effective, you are not going to need it for more than 30 minutes. It's so handy. It is the most lightweight cordless vacuum I've ever used. I'm telling you, you can use this all around, one-handed. You're never going to get tired. It's so lightweight, so powerful and so convenient. It has all the features you want and none of the ones that you don't really need. So it's just simple, effective. It's amazing. What it comes with, your cord to charge, obviously, the vacuum itself, an extra filter, and 2 really cool attachments. I have the other one I will show you guys on screen. It is similar to this, but it has a little brush, and that one is perfect for stuck on stains, and I really like to use it for pet hair. I find that it is so good for upholstered items to get the pet hair out. It's amazing. If you have something that you're treating or something stuck on, it's really great with that brush. This guy right here is perfect for all of those corners, ledges, nooks, crannies in your car, in your seat cushions, all that kind of stuff. And all your attachments do are they just pop right in, pop right out. Super simple. You also get this little handy dandy, highly effective brush for cleaning out your filter. You also get a replacement filter. This is going to keep everything nice and clean. It captures all that pet dander, dust, all of the allergens, all the icky stuff right here. And this is something that you can wash and clean, and you get 2 of them, so it's fantastic. Let's talk about the VacLife though. Like I said, 30-minute charge, or the battery lasts for 30 minutes, it charges up, it's cordless, and it's crazy lightweight. A couple different attachments, a couple different filters, pretty amazing. All you do to turn it on is just press this. You guys will notice that it is not too terribly loud, so it's not super aggressive or annoying. Pretty standard. It also has a light right here. This, I don't know if you guys can see it with the other lights on, but you just pop this button, boop, boop, to turn the light on and off. It's an LED. And it really makes a huge difference. I will show you guys that on screen. Like when I am cleaning out from underneath a ledge in my kitchen, oh my goodness, way dirtier than expected, you guys. That's why you need a VacLife. You can just see all the dust, all the dirt, all the debris you're picking up so much better. So you know where to aim your VacLife, and you know if you've missed a spot. Don't trust dark corners in your home. They probably aren't clean, but with the VacLife, you can turn on a button, you're able to see everything, and you're able to easily clean it all up. The other button you need to know about is the release for the container. All you do right here is press this down, this comes out, and you're able to clean out your dust bin. No gross digging in the debris and stuff that you just sucked up. All you have to do is dump it in your trash can and you are good to go. I've really enjoyed VacLife. Like I said, it makes cleaning enjoyable and fun. It's also quick and easy. For me, this is so good for those big little messes. The things like, I will show you guys, my dog got a hold of a letter earlier and he ripped it into what felt like a million little pieces. And it's this thing like, okay, I don't need to vacuum my entire bedroom, you know, but I just have all these little pieces right here that I need to clean up. That's where VacLife comes in. Instead of having to drag out a big vacuum cleaner, all I do is grab this, boom, 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 and we're done. I don't have to be on my hands and knees picking things up. I don't have to stress it, and I don't have to lug out a huge vacuum cleaner. When you have like your kid spills cereal, or your dog makes a mess, or you just want to get in those little nooks and crannies that you can't do with a big vacuum cleaner, that's what you need VacLife for. This thing is amazing. Like I said, it is the most lightweight and easy to use cordless vacuum cleaner, I think cordless hand vac I think I've ever used. I really, really like it. I love that, you know, this battery indicator right here shows you how much battery you have left. It's easy and quick to charge up, and you've got the light and the easy release. Couple cool attachments, couple filters. It's just going to help you clean, keep you nice and tidy and organized, and make it quick and easy to do so. I really, really love VacLife. I think you guys will too. Go ahead, you guys, put it in your cart. You will be so happy you did. Adios, amigos.